You wanna?
I don't think so.
Oh, you can speak English. 最爱老婆的哪个优点？所有。
Hello everyone, I'm Akriti.
I'm Lulu.
So today, here we are for?
Today I am going to show you the Chinese people's idea of love and how they spend the traditional Chinese Valentine's Day by asking a lot of people, a lot of couples.
I'm gonna follow your step and know how the people think about the love. Let's go.
Let's go.
你心中的爱情观是什么？双方付出吧，有来有往的一个爱情嘛，毕竟是双方来。
What do you think of love?
I think love is respecting each other in many ways and supporting each other in many beginnings and respecting each other's interests, I guess.
爱情就是互相想着对方，
互相想着好浪漫呀。
我觉得是双方互相包容，
互相包容。
对，都给彼此台阶，然后每天幸福嘛，当然也离不开就是说打骂一些东西，打尽量不好啊。对，吵架是不可避免的。
哎，相互尊重，相互包容，互相深爱的对方，这就是爱情。
So in future, if you get like $2,000 million dollar, and if it is asked to you that you have to leave your loved ones, will you do that?
Why I have to leave? No?
Just for money?
Good question actually. Actually, good question. $2 million.
Yes.
And I never meet her again.
You have to leave your girlfriend.
No, I think now recent. No, not enough. $2 million not enough.
Not enough?
Not enough.
So you gonna so you're gonna choose your love over money, right?
Yeah, I think love is passion. It's more expensive than money. Money is just you can make it together. If it's the right person, you can make it together, right? You can make more than $2 million, right? So I think no reason.
And if you are offered $2,000 million, will you leave your love?
2,000 million?
Yes, a very huge amount.
That's a lot of money, but I don't think I would.
I don't think so because I wouldn't know what to do with the money.
But definitely you can do something with your love, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
I think it's when you find the love, it's true love. You share the same opinion of the future. You can plan the future. Not only you are poor or rich, but the goal will be the same. Like the family will, the goal of the family, the goal of the future. So I don't think the wealthy or the income will be a main issue.
什么样的对象？我配不上的，
就是你得不到的是吧？
显得我有点东西。
To be able to understand each other and to communicate well, I think that's one of the most important things for me.
So for you, if I understand, the communication is the best thing. What you are looking in the love, right?
理想中的 crush 是什么？就是有一套固定的标准，但是实际上碰到的话，可能就是长得也不太好看，也没有什么钱。
所以是随心派，
是感觉派，
感觉派。男生会给女生或者女生会给男生准备礼物吗？
会啊，
会啊，
会。
他的耳环。
哦，他的耳环。
耳环二人组。
对，
自己写的一个信吧，也挺长的。
是发自内心的那种，很打动你的。
对，比较打动。
I buy the big flower to my girlfriend.
Oh, that's so sweet. Is she Chinese?
Yes.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, so I buy 108 flowers.
108 flowers?
Yeah.
Because it's a special meaning.
Yes, I know. So I buy it.
And what is the best gift she has received till now from him in Cheeni Festival?
就是能跟我风雨同舟的好过日子。
That's so sweet. She said the best gift the gentleman offers to her is to spend time every day.
Wow, so beautiful. Thank you.
The Qixi festival is a Chinese festival that commemorates the yearly reunion of two characters from Chinese mythology, Cheeni and Niu Lang. In China, today, Qixi festival is not just a day for couples to celebrate their love, but also a time for families to show affection, wishing all those in a love a happy ending together.